this is the end of the Diamond series. Yay! Is the microphone on? Oh yes, my favorite. I'll have to. Well, White Diamond has been my best, but I think this is the second best, right next to Yellow. So it's basically going in the order of Steven Universe with white on top, yellow and blue on the sides, and pink on the hair was what got me. The hair and pink makeup is really hard to do. I want to do a black diamond makeup. Look, I don't know how that would look at all. I could try. As you can see, in collaboration with the yellow one, she had like a leather jacket, and you know, I kind of have like a varsity jacket for blue, you know. It's kind of like Grease. Think of Grease, like, you know, she's like the, you know, the girl that's like with the jocks, or the girl that's with the bad girls, you know? The lesbian couple. I wish they wasn't sisters. It would have been a nice lesbian couple story, kind of. Anyway, you're not here to listen. You're here to see the transformation. It's already happened. Okay. I love you. Bye-bye.